Hello everyone. In the continuation of the previous video, today we are going to start with the subject called BCS-054. That is a numerical computer-oriented numerical technique. 5 marks question comes definitely from this unit, and we call it Unit 0. So let's start with this. And now this is the PDF which I have downloaded from the Ignou site, and that is block 1. Computer BCS054, that is the code of the subject, computer oriented numerical technique. This is the subject name. Yeah, block number 1, unit number 0, that is the overview of micro issues in numerical analysis and technique. So let's start with this topic. This is giving the introduction of the block, whole block. And now this is unit number 0. In this unit, we will we will see the introduction. So why a computer oriented numerical technique is necessary. Let's read this definition given by W.E. Milne. The reason is that the mathematicians, being a mathematician, use all the sorts of mathematical assets, including mathematical concept, notation, techniques, and at the top of all these, mathematical thinking, intuition, reasoning, and habit in solving problem. Doing so through may be quite useful in solving many problems, yet may be quite problematic unless done carefully while using computer as a tool for solving the problem. All these things are the theory part, which you can sit and just read all these definitions very carefully. Try to understand what is the meaning of numerical techniques. Then and what are what is this numerical techniques, and what is the meaning of rounding, which you have already learned in your schooling. Then truncation, then iteration, what is the meaning of iteration, and then examination and mathematical analysis. Yeah, this is a very long chapter, a long unit, in which the important part is the Mentessa. Now you have given the one question, and you have represent that question into the form of one figure. Now I'm going to show you that figure is this is it. This is it. Now when the question will be given to you, and you have to show the sign of for the Mentessa sign for exponent, and what is the exponent of that question. Now let's take the example. Suppose we have given one example, minus 0.5048 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 18. If we want to represent this question in the form of Mentessa, then how we will write this question into this figure? First, 0.504 has one sign. The sign is minus. So first we will put sign for Mentessa will be the minus. Then Mentessa, what would be the Mentessa? Mentessa will be the right side of the point. Suppose we have given the 0.5048, then right side of the decimal is 5048, which is the Mentessa. So we will write 5048. That means D1, D2, D3, D4. So 5048. Then the sign of the exponent, sign of the power. Now power is minus 18. That means sign for exponent will be minus, and 18 will be the E1 and E0. So 18. So you have to write this question into the form of Mentessa, which will give you the 5 marks in the question. In the question, and this paper comprise 100 marks. So 5 marks is fixed for you. That is it, which comes from unit number 0, and rest of the definitions, which you can go through with the definitions and attempt if that definition will come. But in the numerical part, this shortly this type of question will come.